Okay, let's discuss the importance of empirical awareness in drawing inferences. Suppose all the information that is given to us is a man was run over by a truck. Inference: the man died. You have to decide if the inference is definitely true, or probably true, or probably false, or definitely false, or data inadequate. But the problem is that there is so little information available. We cannot be deductive about this problem in the manner of a syllogism. This is where empirical awareness comes in. In order to answer the question, we will have to look at the world. We will have to answer the question, what happens when a man is run over by a truck?
Baba, common experience tells us that a man who is run over by a truck almost certainly ends up losing his life. But sometimes there is the chance factor, the luck factor. There are a few people who are very lucky indeed. In a circus, sometimes an elephant walks over a man, but the man stays alive. Similarly, there are some people in this world who have survived even an air crash. We can never count out the chance factor.
Yes, Vidya. Now we have decided that the inference is true on the basis of our awareness of the world. We know that a man who is run over by a truck will survive only if he is lucky in a very big way. But we agree that there is always a chance, a very small chance, that the man did not die even after he was run over by a truck. So, we will take the inference as true, but we will not take it as 100% true. And so we will say that the inference is probably true, not definitely true.
But sir, how did we decide this?
See Vidya, there is no information except one small sentence. Suppose the given information was that the fatality rate for a truck running over a human being is 99%. Yesterday, a man was run over by a truck. Then Vidya, you would have easily inferred that the inference that the man died was probably true. Reading the two sentences together, we will easily get the answer. But here, even when the first statement is not given, we were able to get the right answer. We were able to do this on the basis of empirical knowledge. This is because empirical awareness helps us in making extra assumptions, which are facts not given in the passage. Here, the extra assumption is that very few people indeed can stay alive after being run over by a truck. Now we will discuss role of prior knowledge in drawing inferences. Sometimes, of course, we are told that all inferences should be answered on the basis of the passage and not on prior knowledge or information that does not figure in the passage. And it is certainly true that we can infer only on the basis of what is given in the text. But remember that the text talks about things that happen in the world in which we live. And so, there is certain assumptions about this world which will always apply. These assumptions are not stated in the text. But if we get an inference following from these assumptions, the inference will be the right one. It will be the right one in spite of the fact that it is based on something that is not directly stated in the text. We cannot escape empirical knowledge. Let me give you another example.